time pass me by, live a couple years and take my life. I don't know where I even am, this never was a part of the plan. Wish to be a better man, but God knows that no one can. I don't know what's going on, it's my life, but I feel it's gone. Go to bed around dawn, wake up in my front lawn. I go too hard, lost control and played my cards, went all in with the devil. He called my bluff, handed me a shove, said dig your grave, son, it won't be long down this road, sorry to prove you wrong. Your first mistake is when you asked to play this game, son, none of us last. Cemetery already got my stone, like to visit when I'm all alone. Date and mention is still unknown, but that don't mean that the future's not shown. I know what's in store for me, a life of dread, pills and poverty. Not what my parents thought properly, want me to go off and be all scholarly, but I tap my head instead, just to feel something when the blood is bled. Drink some shit when I'm taking my meds, only way to get me out of bed, cause the damn devil got me chained down when I sold my soul. But I tried to turn around, he said, boy, you better not go, this life is hell and both of us know. I go too hard, lost control and played my cards, went all in with the devil. He called my bluff, handed me a shove, said dig your grave, son, it won't be long down this road, sorry to prove you wrong. Your first mistake is when you asked to play this game, son, none of us last.